Bring them over here. Let me, oh yeah, leave them right here.
Wait.
Let me see. Put that bolt over there. You got a knife? ¿Tiene navaja?
Yeah, but they can start opening. We can go over there.
I got it.
Pero no traje guantes yo.
Get a sawzall. Get a sawzall. It's in the back of my truck.
¿Tiene? ¿Quién le dio? ¿Quién? Ah.
Mondo. You really need a damn ladder.
Before, now it's too late.
Yeah.
You think so?
I just,
You need it?
nah. Well, we're,
Maybe you can do it half.
hand me another one. Oh shit.
Pero yo le decía allá afuera. Winch lap?
What's that?
Winch?
Yeah. Yeah. This is the seal, guys. This is the seal. What makes the tank. This is the seal. God, dog. Give me another. I'm gonna go down there. Fuck it. Okay. I got it. Put that right there.
Quita eso de ahí.
It's sticky. First drop, baby. It don't get no better than that. These crane operators, they don't see that often. Actually, some never see it at all. Give me some more.